In this video, I will show you how to remove a brake caliper and the rotor of a Nissan Rogue. First, remove the tire and put it under the car. I want to remove this rusted and stripped bolt. I bought this torch from Walmart and used it to hit the bolt for 5 minutes. Use the spiral screw extractor. You see, it is easy to remove now. Be careful of the very hot bolt. Then I use the same way to remove the other bolt. After that, you can easily remove the caliper. This rotor is very difficult to remove. Even hammering doesn't help. So I use a bolt and a nut to go through this hole. When I screw it, the rotor is pushed out. Now it is much easier to remove.